Hi, welcome to Telugu One Food. I'm your host Chef Savio and today we are going to make eggplant parmigiana. Eggplant parmigiana is an Italian dish which is made up of some mozzarella cheese, tomatoes and eggplants. So let's get started.
So for this we have eggplant. I'm taking the big ones. Then I have some fresh basil and flour for the batter, the basic tomato sauce. For this you can check our other video for the recipe. Mozzarella cheese, some salt, pepper for seasoning and oil for frying. So let's get started how to make the eggplant parmigiana. So we have taken the big eggplants, cut into slices of this size. And we have soaked it in salted water so that it gets out all the bitterness of the eggplant. We'll soak it for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now, meanwhile, we will be making the batter to deep fry this. For the batter, we are taking 1 liter of water and 2 cups of refined flour or maida, and we will mix this. Our batter is almost ready. We don't want it very thick. We want it just light for the coating. And if you feel that it is too light, you can add some more flour to it. We'll season this with some salt and pepper. We don't want the flour to be thick, we just want it just lightly, like just a light batter. So our oil has been heated and it's coming to a smoking point so that we can fry our eggplant. Take the eggplant and just dip it and we'll start frying. I'm showing like this because if you do with dusting, the oil will become bad. You can't do oil, all the flour will come down, it will become black. So I'm doing it just lightly. Turn it while frying. Now you can see it is light golden colored. The eggplant is ready to be taken out. We'll repeat the same process for the rest of our eggplant. Our fried eggplants are ready. So now we will start assembling the eggplant to bake it. Take a baking dish, apply some oil. Apply some oil to grease the pan so that our parmigiana doesn't stick. Now we'll start arranging the eggplant. Take a tomato sauce and nicely smear it on top. Then we'll put our mozzarella cheese. We'll pluck some basil leaves. Then again we will put the fried aubergines. Again layer it with sauce. Our mozzarella cheese, if you can get fresh mozzarella cheese, you can put that also. This is grated mozzarella which I am putting. Again the basil leaves. Repeat this again. Our oven is already ready on preheat, so we'll now bake the eggplant. We'll bake the eggplant for 30 minutes at 160 degrees centigrade. The 30 minutes is over. Our eggplant parmigiana is baked. Time to take it out. The cheese is nicely browned. In case if it is not that brown, you can put it for another 5 minutes and get this color. Now time to cut our baked eggplant. So just take a knife. Our eggplant parmigiana is ready.